Hi, it's Bonita, and I wanted to thank you so much for joining and taking the first steps to advancing yourself as a dance teacher. So I do want to share, there are two really crucial things that as a studio owner, we care about. Two. One of them is that our students are growing and advancing. And two, that our business is also growing and advancing. So you as a dance teacher directly affect these two things. And the three keys to success for a dance teacher are this. 1, look the part. 2, rigor. And 3, be the expert. So we're gonna jump into the first one, which is look the part. So this is all about presentation. And when I'm talking about presentation, I'm talking about your full presentation from your first interview. I'm talking about your presentation in class and your class, environment, as well as your presentation on social media. So when I receive a resume from a potential dance teacher, the first thing that I do, my first go-to is I check them out on social media. I'll jump on Facebook, I'll jump on Instagram, Twitter, I'll just see what is their social media presentation. Do they dance? Do they have a reel? What is their character like? Interactions, all of that. So that is huge. As you know, we live in a social media world, and you have to know that that is a crucial part of who you are and how you present yourself as a professional. As well as the first time, okay, now we've passed that, we're meeting for an interview, and now how do you show up for the interview? What is your presentation? What do you look like? Do you look, do you look the part? Or do you look like a dancer? Do you look professional? Are you showing up late? Like all of these things, right? So what is that presentation? And then of course, that goes into your direct communication with the studio owner, as well as now you're hired on, or maybe you have already been working and have a dance teaching job, your presentation in the dance room, right? How does your class run? How do you present yourself as a teacher? How do you present yourself to the students? What do the parents say about you? Just what is your overall presentation? So looking the part is crucial, right? That goes hand in hand with the success of yourself, not only yourself and your pride and your ownership as a dance teacher, but that also directly reflects the dance studio owner and the dance studio. So this is a huge, huge thing in terms of one of the keys to success for a dance teacher. Stay tuned for my second video where we talk a little bit more about 2, which is rigor.